Hey, it's Kent Jones again with Jones and Associates in Cleveland, Tennessee. We're located at 140 North Ocoee Street in Suite 290, and it's me and Brad Wilson is of counsel with the firm. He has an office right across the hall. We're very fortunate this summer to have Molly Hester, who is going to be entering her second year of law school at the University of Tennessee, working as an intern for the firm. This is part 4 in a series that we've developed on what to tell your lawyer when you are getting divorced. This particular section is on problem issues. And I would say at least 50% or more of the divorces that come in our door, these issues do exist. Orders of protection are a big one. One party has become, I guess, scared or afraid of the other party, and an order of protection has been filed. Usually, if they come in with one, it's done at the police department. If there are issues that lead us to believe that we need to file one, and the matter is already in our hands when we're filing for the divorce, we'll do it in court. Generally speaking, if one party has an order of protection coming into a divorce, then if we go before the court, then it becomes a mutual order of protection. Child neglect, that can become an issue of significance, particularly as to who is going to be the primary residential parent of the child and whether or not there is going to be visitation and or supervised visitation. Child abuse falls into the same category. Domestic violence, that can be a reason, that people ended up getting into a divorce situation, and those are issues that we have to deal with. And most of these that we're talking about in part 4 of the series fall into the category of what we may have previously discussed as at-fault divorces. A big thing is a change of the state of residence. If both parties have lived together for a period of time in one state, and then the other party desires to remove the child or children from that state, then obviously that's going to be of great concern to the party that still remains in the state where the marriage existed. And again, those are issues that usually are taken care of in mediation. Sometimes they go to court, and they are drafted into what we term the permanent parenting plan, which is a document that is filed with the final divorce papers when one is finally done. A big issue that comes up with me a lot is I can't have a divorce because I can't find my spouse. Well, that's not true. You can have a divorce, and it's really not as tough as you think it is. Basically, we just have to put together the facts, take into consideration the issues that we've talked about earlier, such as property and children, and put the package together, go to court, and talk to the judge or chancellor about the fact that we can't locate the other parent, but we desire a divorce. Parental kidnapping, yeah, that's difficult. I don't run into that often at all, but I would say that if a spouse runs off with one of your children or more, then that gets into the area of hiring a private investigator to find out where the spouse is, where the child is, and get everybody, if you can, in front of the court or in mediation, and talk about why it happened and the effect that it's going to have. Fees are a big issue. In a lot of cases, you'll have one spouse that may have a corporate job making $100,000 a year and another one making 20 at a convenience store. And so, who's going to pay all the fees when you have to go through mediation and all the steps that it takes to make a divorce final? Attorney's fees, same way around. Usually, well, the American rule is that each party handles their own attorney's fees, but in some cases, consideration may be given to who pays the attorney's fees if there is a significant disparity in the income or the income potential of one of the spouses versus the other. That pretty much wraps up part 4 of the series, and I hope everybody's having a great day. It's beautiful outside here in Chattanooga, where I am now. I hear it's supposed to get up to like 95 today, and I love the heat. But hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.